When we talk about proximity, we're talking about closeness. How close is another object to another? If I were in close proximity with something, I would be very close to it. And therefore, if I'm in close proximity, I look as if I'm a part of this other object, or that I have a relationship with this other object or person. Okay? Let's look at two examples of this. I've done some sketching so far, and I've been really liking this process that I've been practicing over the past couple of days, where I do a gestural drawing, kind of like an underdrawing, and something I can trace, just something very loose. You can see I've rotated it so it's off the page or off frame, and now I'm gonna solidify this outline and just help make it more concrete. And it ties in with everything that I love: organic, industrial, biomorphic. I'm going to add in some detail lines with a smaller or lighter line weight. And as it stands, these actual details offer me a chance to add in some black fill. And this black fill, believe it or not, will help me, almost like in our dazzle ship experiment. These lines and fills really help add structure and volume to the seemingly flat piece. You can add in like fake shadows. Right here, I'm even starting to experiment with extruded sections, so sections that have thickness. You know, I always love to tie in this extruded or perspective sense. I'm going to start to make some other shapes now that are separate but keep the same look and are in close proximity. So notice that first section, and even these little bubbles that are coming off of this exhaust system, right, are in close proximity to our larger shape. So they look as if they're a part of it. Even these repetitive markings seem to be a part of this larger shape. I'm actually going to fix this other piece. I just need to get my bearings, and I'm going to add in two more sections that keep the same themes as our original shape. So not only are they in close proximity, we're keeping with the same theme, and therefore it all helps unify this piece. There are three instances of proximity in this first composition. Now, if you can believe it, that first drawing took me about 15 minutes to do. And this next one, I'm going to go more simple, almost along that tiger striped vein we were talking about earlier in our repetition section of Gestalt. And this one's very simple, but again, those teardrop shapes are very close to the larger shapes, and it all seems to be cohesive and be in the same theme as our original. So remember to have fun with this and try your best to keep things close together but not touching and in the same theme or same vein or same aesthetic. Good luck.